Hello, friends. It has been an awesome season for me and busy period. Happy Christmas, and how have you been? This is the first week. We just passed the first week in Christmas, entering the first week in December, entering the second week in December. So, what do price hold for us? What are we looking at? It has been a kind of very busy period for me. Yeah, but it's okay. So what do price hold for us? This is me trying to take a look at British pound USD. I was unable to do my review for the week, but just posted a trade. The trade that I took like two trades for the week, but unable to do review because of time factor. Today is the 7th, almost like 9 p.m. on Sunday evening, trying to do my forecast for the week and see what price hold for us. So taking a look at British pound USD, the area, the lines that you can see me draw out, a likelihood of the area. I'm looking at price to react to. Like I always said that in the market that you're right. If you buy, you sell. You're right because where you're trying to take a trend trading, someone else is waiting for the pullback of that particular trade. So you buy or sell in the market the same day, you are right. But just make sure that you do them at the right key levels. And those are the areas I'm looking at price to react. So starting from the weekly time frame, here we are. The market reacted to this a monthly fair value gap here and started to rally up as that last week market is reacting to this order block. If you can see it, that's the line that I mapped out already. So market reacted to it. What are my expectation? I'm looking at market react to the next place market will go to is here, but because market is reacting to this area, I'm expecting a kind of a little pullback to this area. What is here? It can be here, it can be here. So if we drop down to the daily time frame, this area is an area on the daily time frame, while this area is the other block the market reacted to on the weekly, which we can see. So I'm expecting price to kind of react to this area and drop a little bit, maybe go to this area. But if paraventure price decided to continue to go up, it will react to this area. But I'm expecting price to drop, maybe react to this zone. If we go below this zone, these are the area I'm looking at price to react to for me to watch and see if I can take a trade. If we drop to the 4H on those area, we can see that he has price responded on this order block on the weekly, which is this area. Like price reacted to that area. I'm expecting price to at least drop a little bit, maybe to this area, or paraventure even to clear these lows and maybe react to this area. These are the places I'm looking at price to react to. That's it. And when price get to this, like here, when price open on Sunday night and then Monday, I'll watch what happened here, maybe to take a trade and see what happened. If not, between Tuesday, when price get to this area, that's just how it is. The price action, we wait for price to get to a particular key levels and show us a tip that probably it might continue to go down or to go up for us to take a trade. That's it. We can see that price is reacting to here. So if we drop, these are the areas I'm watching out on British pound USD. The area mapped out are the areas I'm watching out to take a trade. So if we drop to the British pound JPY, I've already mapped out the zones also. This is the weekly. This is what we had for this week. I know that the price is looking forward to get to this area to draw liquidity, which is a zone in the monthly, and it must not get there immediately. As we can see, this is where we are at this point. For this is how the week ended. So what are my expectations for this week? It looks more price kind of going up a little bit, but then when price got to that area, after taking out the weekly these highs. It took out these highs and continued to press high on the daily time frame. This is price created a fair value gap, which is this area, and came back on Friday to fill that fair value gap, which is this area. So where are the likelihood where price might go to? If price decides to continue to go up, we have to see this area being taken out, and the next should be here. If price decided to come back a little bit down, we have to see this liquidity being taken out, and paraventure this should be a gap in the weekly. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, this is the gap that's price created in the weekly, and then another huge gap here. So these are the areas I'm looking at on British pound JPY to give me a clue on where to place it and take a trade and scale out in the market. So this is it. Fair value gap has been filled as at Friday. So price may likelihood go a little bit up, but if it decides to come down more, we are looking at this area, price to react at this area. The reason for this channel is to show you the areas and the places price might likely to react to, for you to take advantage of it, whether price is going up or coming down. So like I said, you buy or sell, that you're doing it right, but just do it at the right zones. This is it for British pound USD. Let's watch out these key areas and see what price does there, and with your strategies, and see if you can catch a trade. British pound JPY and British pound USD. Yeah, this is it, what I have for the week. Let's see how it goes, and I wish you the best of the week. Yes, have a lovely week and happy Christmas once again. Thank you.